Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about units of dynamic viscosity and kinematic viscosity. According to Newton law of viscosity, we know tau is equal to mu into dV by dy. In this, tau is equal to shear stress, mu is equal to dynamic viscosity, and dV by dy is equal to velocity gradient. In this, v is nothing but velocity and y is equal to distance. Now mu is equal to tau by dV by dy. We know the units of shear stress is nothing but Newton per meter square, and units of velocity is meter per second, and units of distance is meter. If we cancel, we get Newton per meter square into second. We know Newton per meter square is Pascal per Pascal, and now this is units of dynamic viscosity in MKS system. Now we will convert this into CGS system. We know Newton is units of force. Now force is equal to mass into acceleration. So now 1 Newton is equal to mass into acceleration. Units of mass is kg and acceleration is meter per second square. If we convert this kg into 1000 grams and meter into 100 centimeter per second square, we will get 10 to the power of 5 gram centimeter per second square. Now this gram centimeter per second square is known as dyne, which is equal to 10 to the power of 5 dyne. Now 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power of 5 dyne. Now we will substitute this in the previous Newton meter square second. We will get 10 to the power of 5 dyne meter square into second. Now we know meter square we will convert into centimeter square. We will get 10 to the power of 4 centimeter square into second. If we cancel, we will get 10 dyne centimeters into second. This is known as poise. 1 poise is nothing but dyne per centimeter square into second. So 1 Newton per meter square into second is equal to 10 poise. This is the units of dynamic viscosity in CGS system. Now kinematic viscosity. Kinematic viscosity is nothing but the ratio of dynamic viscosity to the density of the fluid. Now units are into second by kg per meter cube. Now we should convert again into kg meter per second square into meter square into second by kg per meter cube. If we cancel, we will get meter square per second. Units of kinematic viscosity equal to meter square per second, which is in MKS. Now we will convert this into CGS system. 1 meter square per second, which is equal to 10 to the power of 4 centimeter square per second. Now this centimeter square per second is called as stroke. Now 1 stroke is equal to 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square per second. This is the units of kinematic viscosity in CGS system. Now these are the 4 units of both dynamic viscosity and kinematic viscosity we discussed. Thank you for watching this video.